is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Allegheny, Maryland, and Mineral, West Virginia, the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for southwestern Allegheny County in western Maryland, northeastern Mineral County in eastern West Virginia, until 6:45 p.m. At 2:45 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. 1 to 2 inches of rain have already fallen near the Cumberland Airport in Mineral County, and 1 to 2 inches of rain are possible in the remainder of the warned area this afternoon. Some locations that will experience flooding include Cumberland, Kaiser, Westernport, Bel Air, Fort Ashby, Lanacunning, Piedmont, Crescenttown, Potomac Park, Wiley Ford, Rawlings, Barton, Midland, Franklin, Woodland, Luke, Spring Gap, Dogwood Flats, Short Gap, and North Branch. This includes flood-prone locations Midland near Georges Creek and Lanacunning near Georges Creek and Kuntz Run. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.